Today we're here in Garden City, New York on Long Island installing an emergency escape window, also known as an egress window.
At Boccia, we've installed these basement egress windows or basement entrances for over 70 years.
Now, why is having an emergency escape window so important for your basement? One of the main reasons people think is so that you can easily get out in the event of a fire, an emergency, which is of course very important. But another critical reason is so that in the event of a fire, a firefighter with all their equipment on their back and whatnot can actually fit inside of that egress window and be able to access into the basement.
Creating that large opening oftentimes requires a structural header. And we see this overlooked by other installation contractors all the time. And that could lead to structural issues such as cracks in your floors or walls in the upper floors.
Also, it's important to provide proper drainage and to seal the window properly. You certainly don't want your basement window or basement entrance to become a source of a leak in the future. Again, we've seen many installations by other contractors with little regard to drainage and sealing of the window.
And we will install your basement egress window professionally and properly. We could assist with the design. Our affiliate engineering company could provide construction drawings if you require permits. And when you install an emergency egress window or basement entrance, it's important that it's done right, not rushed. We will install your basement egress window professionally and properly.